Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to transfer Google Chrome data to Microsoft Edge browser. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To transfer Google Chrome data to Microsoft Edge browser, click on three dot icon on upper right corner. In your Microsoft Edge browser, click on Settings. Now scroll down. You will find an option here, Import Browser Data. Click on Import Browser Data. You will find the first option, Import Data from Google Chrome. Now click on Import. This is the import from Google Chrome, and you can click on drop down to select other browsing options. I am selecting Google Chrome. This is my profile name. And which type of data will be imported in Edge browser: favorites or bookmarks, saved passwords, personal information, payment information, browsing history, settings, open tabs, extensions, etc. Now click on import. Now it's importing. Many extensions has been imported to Microsoft Edge. Now click on three dot icon, then click on extensions. Look, all these extensions came from Google Chrome. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.